In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Canva into your website using an HTML embed code. This process is pretty straightforward and super helpful for anyone looking to incorporate customized Canva designs directly onto their web pages. To begin, let's open Canva if you haven't already done so. You'll start by logging into your Canva account on your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in and on your Canva dashboard, take a moment to look around. You'll see your recent designs, templates, and perhaps some recommended templates based on your past activity. Explore these options if you like, but remember to have your specific design ready in Canva for this process to make the embedding as smooth as possible. Next, make sure your website is ready for the integration. This means having access to your website's backend where you can input custom HTML. If you're using a platform like WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix, ensure you're familiar with navigating its editor. You want to make sure you know where to go to paste HTML, whether that's a specific widget, block, or page editor. Now let's get the HTML code from your website. The HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone code that structures web content. Understanding how this works makes integrating additional content like Canva designs easier. Keep in mind that the design you want to embed into your website is stored as a project within Canva, and this is what we'll access to get your HTML embed code. With Canva open, locate the design you wish to embed and open it. Once you're satisfied with your design, head over to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a variety of options there, but for this purpose, we want you to click on the Share button. Clicking Share opens up multiple ways to share this design, ranging from social media to downloads. Next, continue to the icon represented by 3 dots. This might look like an ellipsis, and it usually indicates more options are available. Clicking on these 3 dots will present additional methods and tools for sharing or publishing your work, which is exactly what you need. Among the diverse set of options that appear, click on eBay. Embed. What this does is prepare your design to be inserted into other web mediums, such as your website. By choosing to embed, Canva will generate an HTML embed code for your design. This piece of code is what makes the magic happen and will allow you to integrate your Canva project into your site seamlessly. You should now see a preview and a text box containing the HTML embed code. Take a moment to review it to ensure it coordinates well with what you're planning for your site. Once you're satisfied with everything, simply copy this embed code. This piece of HTML is what you'll use to successfully integrate your Canva design into your website, providing a visually appealing addition that enhances the look and functionality of your web page. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to share your creative Canva designs with the world directly through your website, offering a polished, professional presentation.